Hey guys, I'm Chef Rakhi Vaswani and welcome to the Taste of America Holiday Masterclass series. Diwali is round the corner, तो क्यों ना अपने friends and family को कुछ अच्छा बना के खिलाते हैं. Best way to celebrate is with food. So come join me in this amazing masterclass with US products. So our Diwali masterclass would be incomplete without something sweet. Friends and family को अगर खुश करना है तो something really nice and easy. So let's start with our almond and apple streusel tray bake. सबसे पहले we'll start with chopping of my California almonds. Did you know that almonds are the world's most healthiest and nutritious food? Next, we'll move on to making our streusel, which is with the Washington apples. So we're going to first start by creaming my butter and sugar. So once my butter and my sugar has creamed in well, I'm going to start adding my eggs one at a time and a little bit of the flour so that the mixture doesn't curdle. So this is a tray bake, really simple, easy, whenever you want to entertain and you can just change with the flavors. It's fabulous, really easy. Line up your tray and you can add in whatever flavors you want. All right. So along with that, I'm going to add some vanilla. Once that's mixed, ये हम दूसरा अंडा डाल देंगे. And a golden tip, don't overmix at this point of time. So in goes my flour. And I'm just going to add some milk to make that into a batter. But remember, this is an apple and almond, right? So apple का part और almond का part तो आने ही वाला है. Just hold on for that. This is my classic basic mixture. And to this, I'm going to add my apple. So we'll get started with cooking our apple. I'm going to keep that aside. Eating one large Washington apple provides 20% of the recommended daily value of dietary fiber, 8% of the antioxidant vitamin C, and 7% of your day's potassium, all for just 130 calories with no fat, no sodium, and no cholesterol. Isn't that amazing? So as they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So let's get cooking with our apples. तो सबसे पहले मैं मक्खन डालूंगी यहाँ. And I'm just going to cook my apples slightly with a little bit of sugar and cinnamon. Kashish, get me some brown sugar, please. Thank you. I'm just going to toss my apples, which have been chopped and kept. And अगर आप पहले करके रख रहे हैं तो just put a little bit of lime juice in the water so that they don't become black. Going to add some brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and then just cook that slightly. सो जब तक एप्पल का मॉइस्चर इवेपोरेट होता है, लेट मी टेल यू कि मुझे वॉशिंगटन एप्पल्स क्यों पसंद है, बिकॉज आजकल पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे एवरीवन इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट हाइजीन, एंड मुझे पता चला है कि they are really handpicked, but the whole process of packaging, delivering and transportation, it's literally not handled by hand. So it's really something which is a winner for me. So that's it. What I'm going to do is some of it I'm going to put into the batter. थोड़ा ठंडा होने देंगे, जब तक ये ठंडा होता है हम स्ट्रूज़ल बनाते हैं. Yeah? All right. Let's go. I'm going to remove it back into the bowl to cool it down. And we'll make our streusel. Yeah, come. Yeah. Yes, Kashish, you can come and bring it here. तो streusel बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले I'm going to take flour and chilled butter. It's a 1:2 ratio. So whenever your flour is 100, your butter has to be half of that, and chilled butter. तो इसे फिंगर टिप से I'm just going to rub it in. It starts resembling like breadcrumbs, and that's the most easiest and perfect way. अगर आप ज़्यादा quantity बना रहे हैं, you can do it in a food processor also. It's really nice and simple. So all I'm doing is rubbing the butter into the flour, and I just wanted to get mixed in and incorporated. But इसे थोड़ा हम और भी fancy बनाएंगे. I'm just going to add some sugar, the almonds, and not to forget, I'm going to use my oats from Bob's Red Mill. So my crumble is almost ready. We're going to make it more interesting. We're going to add some brown sugar, and I'm going to add some oats to that. And that's going to add a lot of crunch, the texture that I'm going to require in my streusel, along with the crunch in the apples. So you can see it's already looking beautiful, and just give that a mix. And time to add in another hero ingredient, which is the almonds. And I've got these lovely almond flakes, which I love because it's going to look beautiful. थोड़ा हम ऊपर भी डालेंगे, and a little bit of the apple into this. Yeah, so I'm going to mix that, and a little bit of that moisture also I like going in, because it's just going to make my streusel look really nice and yum, and give that a mix. And that's going to go into your batter. So a little bit of the apple into the mixture. We're going to mix that. A little bit of chopped almonds जो मैंने पहले करके रखे थे, my California almonds. The health and fiber that I need for this dish. And we're gonna line that tray. इसको हम लोग एक ring mold में tray में line कर देंगे. Come bring it in, Didi. Thank you. So I'm going to use a ring mold, and we've taken a double lining of foil. And why I like to use a ring mold is it's going to give me nice clear-cut lines. So Vidhi is just going to do that very closely. So this is a very close knit, so that you get nice clear cut lines. Double lining industrial foil लेना better है, and इसे tray पे रखेंगे. Now time to put in the batter. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the batter. You can do it in a loaf tin also if you want to make it like a nice center cake. It's a round cake or anything you like. Totally your call. So I'm just going to put some streusel on top and layer it beautifully. So just with a palette knife, just mix that a little so that it can go a little inside also. Trust me, this is like a lovely centerpiece. When you make this, your guests are just going to love it. And इसी को अगर देसी version देना है तो you can just add some nice desi flavors to it and serve it with some nice rabdi or like a nice ice cream. It works wonderful. So I'm just going to add some more almond flakes on top. And I'm going to bake this at 150-160 degrees, and we're going to bake this for a good 25 to 35 minutes till toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. So this is going to go away, and we're going to move on to our next ingredients. So let's start making the kulcha. I'm first going to start with the flour. To this I'm going to add some sugar, a little bit of salt, and thoda baking soda. So must fluffy kulche banenge, and the filling is amazing. California prunes and cheese, you can't beat that. अब इसमें add करेंगे दही पहले. So the chemical reaction of the dahi and the soda is just going to make it nice and light and fluffy. And इसे हम knead कर लेंगे अब. And as required, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to make it into a nice soft dough. And I'm just going to add water little by little. To make it into a nice soft dough. This one's going to be a lovely party pleaser for your guests because the combination of the California prunes with the cheese and the Indian masalas with some nice mini kulcha, dollop of butter, amazing. So that's it. The atta has come together. इसे हम आधा पौना घंटा रेस्ट करने को छोड़ देंगे. And then I'm going to make some nice stuffed mini kulchas. While that's going to keep aside, I'm going to move on to the duck and then we'll make the filling as well. Going to put that aside. So now I'm going to move on to making the preparation for my duck papri chaat for this Diwali masterclass. It's a lovely combination जिसे हम serve करेंगे with a nice crunch element and some nice spicy apple chutney. So सबसे पहले I'm going to start preparing my duck, for which I'm using the US duck, which is really high in protein, iron and very low in fat. So I'm going to marinate the duck with my barbecue sauce, and I'm just going to grill that into the oven, and nicely I'm going to marinate that, rub it into the skin. I'm using the skin because I need it to be nice and crispy. So that's going to render all the fat, put it in the oven. And the beauty about this is we're just going to bake that into the tray. Put some oil here. And we've got these lovely vegetables we've taken to form a base for our carrot. You want to spread the oil first, beta?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. And we're going to bake that, grill it in the oven, in a convection oven at 160, 170. I wanted to caramelize, but really slowly. So it's going to take some good 35 to 40 minutes. And if you feel you want to add a little bit of stock, to have it a little moisture to be maintained, at this stage, we're just going to add some stock. Kashish, put some stock into that.
Yes,
And that kind of, maintains the moisture. And now I'm going to send that into the oven and we'll see when it's ready. So another beauty about the Washington apples is it works beautifully as a lovely chutney for my duck papri chaat. So quickly let's make our chutney. I'm going to start with some oil. And जैसे ही oil गर्म हो जाएगा, हम इसमें add करेंगे ginger. And साथ ही साथ I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of onions. Just going to cook it till it's slightly translucent. I'm not looking for any color here. And you'll be shocked how this chutney really works wonderfully with all your desi kebabs also. So it's like a desi videsi mishran. Next, I'm going to add in some brown sugar. And to that, we're going to add in our hero, the apples. Let's season that with some chili, paprika, whatever you have in your kitchen, even chili flakes, a little bit of cumin roasted. And now I need this ingredient to just lift up my chutney. So I'm going to add in some apple cider vinegar. And all we have to do is cook that till it's slightly soft, mushy, just like a chutney. So, the pulp starts becoming mushy, then it's ready. So, while this is cooking and reducing, what I'm going to do is check on the duck और उसको हम लोग थोड़ा और अपने barbecue sauce से, brush करते रहेंगे so that it's really nice and yummy. Yes. Okay. Look at that, how beautiful that's looking. And I'm going to brush some more barbecue sauce onto that. It's going to taste really yummy because बनने के बाद हम इसको shred करेंगे जब nice and crispy हो जाएगा. You know how you do like your chaat. So we're going to add some piyaz, some coriander, green chili, some tomato, and present it on that papri with some nice chutneys. Oh, it's going to taste yum. And some nice crispy salli and save. Oh, I'm sure your guests are going to love this one. So I'm just going to cover and cook that for a bit till it's nice and mushy. Thank you. And we've checked on our duck. Now we're going to get on with our kulchas. Dough is rested. So I'm just going to quickly make our filling. Can we have the prunes and our filling ready? And then we'll start on with our kulchas. And we're going to check on that. You can see it's cooked beautifully. It's smelling also amazing, and all we have to do is check the toothpick, insert it in the center, comes out clean. We're going to wait for this to cool down. And then we're going to cut them into nice fingers, for your party, and present it with some nice piping of some whipped cream, whatever garnish you like, and it's going to be lovely. So for the stuffing, I'm going to use my California prunes. I'm going to chop them a little. Prunes are really healthy to eat. In fact, they help in reducing heart disease, and they help to strengthen your bones to stay fit. So personally, I love them because of the antioxidant. So what I'm going to do now in the bowl is I'm going to add in the prunes. And to that, we're going to add in some onions. कुलचा है तो थोड़ा मसालेदार भी बनाएंगे. A little bit of coriander, some green chilies. आप चाहें तो थोड़ा जीरा and अजवाइन भी इसमें डाल सकते हैं. And cheese, definitely. Lots and lots of cheese. थोड़ा सा मैं अजवाइन भी डाल दूंगी. जैसे हमने कहा देसी विदेशी मिश्रण, they're going to love it. इन्हें हम छोटे बाइट साइज बनाएंगे एंड गर्मा गर्म सर्व करने के लिए इट्स परफेक्ट. So we're gonna start making our kulcha. This is the part of the master class where almost everything is ready. The tray bake is baked, cooled down. I've just put it into the freezer or the, like a blast freezer to chill it completely so I can cut it. You don't need to do that. आप उसे naturally cool करें, and when it cools down, you can just cut slices and serve. I'm going to show you that. The duck is in the oven. Our chutney is being cooked. जैसे वो saucy consistency हो जाएगा, it's going to be perfect. And घर में आपके पास थोड़ी green chutney तो होती ही है, so we've kept that, and थोड़ी चाट और पापड़ी के ऊपर जो चीज़ें जाती हैं वो हमने ready रखी हैं. So I'm going to dress that up for you. ट्रे बेक जो है वो ठंडा हो रहा है, उसे हम ड्रेस अप करेंगे. वील पाइप आउट सम नाइस whipped cream on that, and we'll have a lovely master class दिवाली के लिए ready with USDA. You're going to love this holiday masterclass series because it's a combination of Desi and Videsi. Yeah, so let's go. I'm going to make chotu ones, so probably just 25 grams is what I want. Yeah, और इसे थोड़ा सूखे आटे से हम रोल कर देंगे. Now I'm going to start stuffing. This combination of sweet, cheese, the pyaz and mirchi is literally lethal. इसे पोटली की तरह बना देंगे हम. So ideally ऐसी चीज़ें हमेशा क्रस्तीनी में बनाते हैं और हमने उसे कुलचे में बना दिया है. Trust me, it's gonna taste yum. I don't want to tear it. इसे pinch कर देंगे सील करने के लिए. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, you can put it in the air fryer. That works really wonderful. It goes faster. And अगर आपके पास oven नहीं है, air fryer नहीं है, you can actually do it on a tawa. आप अपने तवे में इसको पानी लगाकर, you can put water and stick it on your tawa, and that one side starts cooking, and then you can put your tawa over the gas. Literally जैसे हम फुल्का बनाते हैं गैस पे, you can do it with that also, and it will taste yum. And all you have to do is when it comes out, brush it with lots and lots of butter. So now I'm going to bake this in the oven. As I told you earlier, आप चाहें तो इसको air fryer में या तवे पे भी बना सकते हैं. It turns out lovely. मैं इसे oven में डालूंगी. When they come out, we're going to brush them with lots of butter. So now you can see the apple chutney is really nice and mashable. It's got a beautiful color. So I'm going to wait for it cool down, and then I'm going to blend it to make it like that nice, how you have your imli ki chutney for my papdi chaat. That's how it's going to look now. And we made that with the Washington apples. Yum. So our duck is already prepared. It's come out from the oven, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to shred that. And look at the beautiful golden glaze that we've got. Just kind of love that. So I've just shredded the duck now. And I'm just gonna add some more garnishes and stuff to it. So to this, I'm going to add a little bit more of the barbecue sauce so that it catches a little more flavor. And now let's make it some chatpata with some pyaz, thoda tomato, some green chilies, and some coriander, और ऊपर से थोड़ा चाट मसाला भी डालेंगे. अब इसे हम सब मिक्स कर देंगे. The duck is looking amazing. It's a lovely twist. Perfect papdi chaat for your Diwali dhamaaka with this beautiful US poultry. तो चलिए now we're gonna start plating. तो सबसे पहले ये लेंगे हमारी ये जो एप्पल चटनी है, बस ऐसे ही we're just gonna smear that. Looks lovely. And इसके बाद हम डालेंगे हमारी जो पापड़ी है. We're just going to place some papdi. अब I'm going to start piling up with my duck. My filling जो है इसे अच्छे से pile up कर लेंगे. And now I'm going to start with this तीखी green chutney जो हमेशा घर में होता है for that little color to stand out. और उसके बाद हम डालेंगे ये जो रेड चटनी है तीखी वाली जो अक्सर घरों में पाया जाता है, अगर कोई भी आपके पास हो तो. तो अब डालते हैं थोड़ा क्रंच एलिमेंट. ये मैं डाल दूंगी थोड़ा दाल एंड सम सेव. पापड़ी चाट विदाउट एनी क्रंच एलिमेंट इज एन एब्सोल्यूट नो नो. अब थोड़ा सल्ली डाल देते हैं. सेव हो सल्ली हो जो भी आपके पास हो, मैं तो दोनों डालूंगी बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बिकम रियली यमी एंड टेस्टी. And then just like you do your chaat, some coriander, थोड़ा चाट मसाला, फिर थोड़ा चिली पाउडर डालेंगे. And there you go. That's my duck papdi chaat with apple chutney. This is for my Taste of America Holiday Masterclass series for Diwali Dhamaaka by USDA. So the almond and apple streusel tray bake is now chilled. I'm gonna cut them into nice finger sized. So first foil जो है हम loosen कर देंगे, just like that. And then थोड़ा palette knife से हम sides को we're just gonna run it through. The sides just need to loosen up. And then bas we're going to remove it from the ring. See how lovely that looks? So what we are going to do is put it in a platter with some finger size, some dollop of cream, and it looks lovely. And add some whipped cream on top, and we will be ready for our Diwali dhamaaka. So there it is, my almond and apple streusel tray bake by USDA with my Washington apples. This one is definitely a party pleaser. So guys, here it is, my Diwali Dhamaka special holiday masterclass series by Taste of America, my California prunes and cheese kulche. Thank you very much guys for joining me in this masterclass. मुझे तो बहुत भूख लगी because my spread is looking amazing. Don't forget to try all these recipes with your friends and family, and don't forget to tag me and Taste of America. But watch out, there are lots more events coming up your way soon.